Hey guys, what's up? Well, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Gerel. Today we're going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing as well as try on. If you are interested in seeing this video, please keep on watching and let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. But before we do, just in case you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a $25 subscription services and you do get 5 full-size beauty items. If you are interested in signing up, you can go ahead and use my link. If you are new to makeup and you're trying to build up your makeup collection and skincare as well, you definitely want to sign up because this is a great way to start building up your collection. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing now. So every month they sent out the box and you do get a little card that gives you the theme of the month as well as all of the information of all the products that you have received in your box. All right, so the first item in my box is this one right here, which is the Lime Crime eyeshadow palette. It is the Venus 3 and these are the colors. I did create a look, of course, using this palette right here, and once again it is going to be at the end of the video just in case you are interested in seeing how I created this look. The shadows perform really nice. I'm pretty sure they're going to stain just because it actually stained a little bit on my finger, but the shadows themselves perform really nice. It was just really easy to use, blendable, pigmented. It didn't patch up or anything like that, so super impressed with this eyeshadow palette for sure. So I'm glad that I got it in my box, and this one retails for $38. So the next item that I use is this Too Faced mascara, which is called the Damn Girl mascara, and this is the packaging for the mascara, and here is the mascara itself. I love like the component of the mascara. I think it's really nice, very unique, very Too Faced. And here is the one, super big. It was a little bit hard to get my lower lashes, but I got it done and it didn't smear or anything like that. It was okay to use on my lower lashes as well on my top lashes. I did decide to add false lashes, by the way, just in case you can't tell. But the mascara retails for $26. Alright, so the next one is from Cap Cosmetics and it is the Hydrating Lip Oil. Super nice, very nice, super moisturizing, not sticky, it's very glossy, so just in case you want to use it as a gloss, you can definitely do that because it really gives you a really nice gloss. The scent of it is super beautiful. I love it. I think it smells like the beach, so yeah, totally love that scent. And it reminded me of another lip oil that we actually got a couple of boxes ago, but this one is, I think, 1,000 times better. I definitely love the applicator. I love when the ones are so big like this, just because it's like super easy to get your whole entire lip. So love that. And this one retails for $20. All right, so the next item that we have that I wasn't able to put on the demo because it is a soap for your brushes, so yeah, I'm not gonna be cleaning my brushes right now. We'll have to take off my camera. It's just gonna be a big deal. So this one right here is from the brand Lavish and it is the wet brush cleaning system. So when you open it up, you actually do have the soap right here, which is actually wrapped up right now in a plastic. And here in the cap, you do have this material that is already glued to the cap, so it's easier for you to actually just clean your brushes, which I think is really nice. And it does smell like vanilla, really nice. Super excited to use this one just because I always use the same cleanser for my brushes. So it is nice to use something different and see if it actually compares or if it's better than what I'm already using. That's why. And plus I do like and really like and enjoy cleaning my brushes. I know, super weird, but it's true. But I mean, just to show you guys here, I have clean brushes. I just like it. I like it. Alright guys, so the last product that we have in our box, this one is actually a new release, and this is from the brand Maven Beauty. I've never heard of this brand before, so it's actually really nice that we get to try it, and it is the Rose Water Setting Spray. I did try it, of course. Let me just show you the packaging. The mist on it is super nice as well, and here is the packaging, super bright. It didn't really smell like super strong like roses, which is nice because I don't like it to be too scented. And the Maven Beauty setting spray retails for $22. So yeah, that's it guys. So let's go ahead and get into the demo, and I'll be right back.
Feel uninvited, left you home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's it for the demo. I hope it was really nice and easy for you to follow along. Let me know what you got in your box. Did you get the same box as I did? Did you get something different? Are you still even subscribed to Boxycharm? Do you think Boxycharm is worth it? Let's talk in the comment section. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.